get beautified, stop by and jazz it up. We bring it back to life, taking it to brand new heights. Ashes get beautified, stop by and jazz it up.
Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine and I'm back with some more content for you guys. So today, I have the window open so you will hear some noises. But today I'm filming a video of a special project which I told you guys I'm going to share more of. You guys voted yes on sharing more of these projects, so I am, and this one is I'm decorating a party. So our church recently decided that we're going to close its doors because it's just dwindled down in size and a lot of other reasons which I'm not going to talk about. But so since we're closing down, we're doing one last celebration of life of our church and celebrating all the years of ministry that's happened there. So we're throwing a huge party. So I'm going to be decorating the party. I'm going to do some floral arrangements and a little like stage setup for the party because it's going to be like a service and then a reception. So I'm going to take you guys along on my floral arrangement journey and just like how I set things up. So I decided to go with dried florals and fresh florals mixed together. I think it's just like really symbolic of the event that it is, being the closing of one season, but also meaning a new beginning and a new season for those of us who are part of the church recently. So I think I just wanted to fuse the two together and create something beautiful. So let's jump into this video and I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah. Yeah. Great teacher, can you teach me a lesson? I've been staying up too late, got me stressing. I've been thinking way too much, got me guessing. Wish someone could tell me what I'm living for. Lately I've been feeling like a zombie. Guess they figured out I was dead, now they on me. They see them in my eyes and they started to surround me. Probably cause they know what I'm living for. But the teacher started teaching me a lesson. Great teacher, can you teach me a lesson? I've been staying up too late, got me stressing. I've been thinking way too much, got me guessing. Wish someone could tell me what I'm living for. Lately I've been feeling like a zombie. Guess they figured out I was dead, now they on me. They see them in my eyes and they started to surround me. Probably cause they know what I'm living for. But the teacher started teaching me a lesson. The teacher started teaching me a lesson.
Okay, so we're at the church, so that's why it's a little bit messy, but these are the greenery pieces that I got. I put bleach and sugar in the water. Hopefully that keeps them fresh because they were starting to die. I bought them 2 days early, which might have been too early, but I went to downtown LA, so I didn't want to do it like at the last minute. And then I also got all of these. These I found at Trader Joe's for only $7.99, which is a lot cheaper than they were in downtown LA. All the larger roses are $7.99 from Trader Joe's, and then these smaller ones I got from downtown LA, which were a little bit more pricey. I wish I would have waited and just went to Trader Joe's. But then I got these in downtown LA as well. I think they were like $7.50 each. And then some of these like dried florals, which I want to mix the two together. A little bit of pampas grass, which I'm going to use in the arrangements as well. And then these are some like dried palms. I also have these, which I got in downtown, which they're like dried out hydrangeas, which are really pretty. Depending on how I'm going to be able to use them, we'll see. But I wanted to try to do like one large arrangement we can use for the stage, but we'll see about that. I'm still not 100% sure how all of this will work out together. Okay, so I have 12 sets of 2 of these, and I started using some of my dried florals from home. I don't know if you guys recognize these vases. If you've watched another one of my videos, these are from my house. I collected these when I went like on a little trip, minus the bunny ears. but they were like just florals I found outside. So they've been in vases in my house, but now I'm using them to make part of the centerpiece arrangement. So my idea is, minus these baskets, to do like a floral arrangement in the center and then just do little dried florals on the side because it's such a long table. It'll kind of eat up the centerpiece if I just do something small in the middle. So I'm looking for some fabric that I can kind of weave throughout, just to make it not look so plain. But yeah, that's kind of the idea I have for now. So I started off these arrangements by just clearing all the leaves off of the stems, just to make sure that the water would stay cleaner and look better, more presentable, once I put the flowers into the vases. And then also these outer petals on the roses were a little bit like green and brown, so I just removed the outer layer of petals as well. I have no training with flowers and florals whatsoever, so I just kind of was doing what I thought I liked and kind of playing around with it to get the look that I would want. So I started off with just the fresh florals, and I kind of kept them close to the lower end of the vase, so that I could build up with the dried florals towards the end. And I also got these vases from the dollar store, so that's a way to save money if you're doing an event where you need multiple vases. Just grabbing some vases from the dollar store, and then at the end of the party we allowed everyone to just take a floral arrangement home with them, and it was no worry because the vases were inexpensive. I had to do 12 arrangements, so it kind of got better as time went on, but they were slightly different and I loved the uniqueness that each one carried. And then I had these like recycled kombucha bottles, so I used the leftover of these like filler florals and just cut a few stems and put them in each bottle. They're really simple, it's not anything spectacular or special, but I really think that they filled out the table well, and they just added a little bit of color and dimension. You may notice I didn't go with the dried florals. That's because when I saw them next to the floral arrangement, it just wasn't the vibe I was going for. Goddaughter's little arrangement, beautiful. Hold it up. Let's show the people.
Let me see.
So cute. Love it. What did you make? Show it. Oh, stunning. Oh. Stunning. Love it. So cute. And then my friend helped put together this balloon arch. My mom really wanted balloons for the party, so we went with the balloon arch. To buy one would have been like around $300 we got quoted, so we ended up just grabbing a kit from Amazon, which was between $30 and $40. I think we got 2 kits, and then just put them together. This backdrop and stand I think was also purchased from Amazon, and then I got these other dried florals to make arrangements for the stage, and I just put those on the sides. So the flowers actually stayed really well overnight, and they look perfect. So I'm gonna put them out on the tables today. So I recycled some old curtains, sheer curtains, and tablecloths that I had that were like kind of stained that I couldn't use anymore. So I'm using them as like table runners, just kind of cutting them and then bunching them up in the middle. So since this isn't like my normal video and I'm kind of in a rush and pressed for time, I wasn't really talking to the camera or filming as many of the details, but I did my best. So just know that going forward, that may be the case for these like special videos that I film while I'm like pressed for time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the florals that I created. Let me know what you thought about the combination. I took a little poll on Instagram about the combination of like dried and fresh florals, and some people were not that into it. I personally love the combination. I think it's so beautiful together. So let me know if you are a fan of it or if you aren't, and leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And as always, keep spreading the love and light, and I will catch you on the next one.